Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Nancy Summer, how you doing today? You got a beauty here. This is a 40-inch, big, thick porcelain Pennzoil sign here. Again, this is coming from the San Jose collection that we bought. Really in nice shape. Don't see any kind of touching up or anything going on. It's got a good portion of patina going on it just around the corners. If you are into Pennzoil, looking for something for your gas and oil collection, or just want a great sign to start with, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.